According to attorney Jerry Edwin, the conveyance fee incurred by property owners is unjust and should not be engaged in by financial institutions.
They are now told, after the mortgage has been satisfied, that they must now pay an additional fee to the bank for giving them their papers. In other words, I've paid my mortgage for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. The mortgage has been satisfied. And now the bank says, in order for me to get my paper in my hand, I must now pay a reconveyance fee. I think that is unconscionable. I think that is wrong. I think that the bank should and must record a satisfaction. And if the reconveyance has to be done, it must be a charge that the bank absorbs.
In response, lawyer Jimmy Bristol, who provides representation for financial institutions, told GBN via telephone that the fee is not paid to banks, but one's attorney.
It is not the bank. The bank doesn't charge anything. It's the ball is in the court of the borrower to prepare the people, have the people prepared to have the title back in his or her name.
However, Edwin insists that it is a matter of principle and that Parliament should amend the Conveyance Act.
The Conveyancing Act should be amended to reflect that this is an obligation that the bank should absorb, because persons have been bringing this to my attention, and I've talked to bank attorneys about this, and they said, that's our policy. But that's not good enough. It's not good enough to say that this is our policy. What about the homeowner, the person who has the mortgage? Can they say, I am late, and that's my policy?
Bristol says this is not an issue to be addressed in law.
In my practice, which is extensive in banking, it is the borrower's lawyer who will prepare the document, and it's a nominal fee, and there's that much, $500 or $700. It's set by the Bar Association in the scale of fees, but it's not the bank. If the bank is offering to do it on the behalf of the borrower, then I guess the bank would pay the borrower's, the borrower will pay the bank's lawyers for preparing the document. But I don't think a bank can properly insist that they do it and charge for it. The option is on the borrower's part. But certainly, it's nothing to do with the law of conveyancing and property.
Eugenia Peters, GBN News.